Hello to all. In this video, I'm going to share two functions. First one will be clear function, how to clear the content format of a selected region. And then we will be looking to the delete function, how to delete sheets, content on a workbook through VBA coding. So let's move ahead and see these functions. In the first part of this video, we will be seeing clear function. So what we'll be doing, we will be writing a header and we will be changing the font and the interior, and then we will have something here as an example to see the clear function. So let's start by naming our subroutine, that is clear class, and then I want to print something on cell A1, so that will be range A1 dot value equals to header. So it's in string, so it will be in quotations, header. Now I want to write something, and I want to change the change the font and the interior of this header. So I will be writing a1 dot interior dot color index equals to 44, again range a1 dot font dot color index equals to 22. So this is what it will be, and below the header I want to print a few numbers from A2 till A11 dot value equals to 5 to 6. So let's execute this and see that it's working or not. So I'm executing this step by step, so that is step by step through short key, that is F8. You can see my header is there and it has printed the numbers here, digits here. So this is working good so far. Now let's comment out this to write our clear function. So now, so how it will work, I want to remove the content from the header, or if I want to remove the content from cell A5 and A6. So how I can do, range A1 A5 to A6 dot clear contents. So this will remove the content, it will not remove the formatting. So let's execute this. You can see it has removed the digits from there, but we didn't had a chance to see the how it is removing the format or not. So let's execute this once. I write one more line of the code on to execute this on cell A1. So range A1 dot clear contents. Let's comment out this line. Okay, now when we execute this, it will only remove the content. That means it will remove the the word header from cell A1. Let's make this bit bigger so that we can see clearly. Let's execute this. It has removed the word header. It has left the font, and if we write here anything, let's write QAZ, so it has left the font. So simply the clear contents function will only remove the content from the selected region. Now let's comment this, and if we want to remove the format, then what we should do, range a1 dot clear formats. So this line of code will remove the only format. It will keep the alphabet or the string or whatever the character is there in this cell or this selected region. It will remove the interior and the font color. If we take for this example cell A1, it will change it to default, that is black font and white interior. So let's execute this line. So as you can see, it has set it to default. So this is how it works. So we have one more line of code and to see, that is clear code. So let me change this to show you, and this, okay, now it will be a good example for us. Let's comment this function line. So there is another function, that is clear function. It will it will remove everything from the selected region or the cell. Clear will clear will remove the interior, font and the character which is present in the that particular cell. So let's execute this. You can see it has cleared everything. It acts similar to delete, you can say. So that's all in the clear function. There are three parts in the clear, that is clear, which will clear everything. Clear format, it will clear only the formatting of the region or the cells. And then there is clear contents. So clear contents will only remove the character from the region or the cells or the range selected. So that's all in this part. Let's move to the second part. In second part of this video, we will be looking to the delete function, how it works in VBA. So let's move ahead and start writing by naming our procedure, that is delete class. So what we'll be doing, we will be deleting some of the content from this table. So let's write range a1, let's a5 dot delete. If I simply write this, before executing this, let's understand what delete does. Delete will remove that cell. Instead of clearing the content, what in Excel, what we do, if we press delete here, if we delete anything, then it will give us this option. So VBA also works similarly. When we execute any delete procedure or a code in VBA, then it removes that content and the cell as well, and then it moves the lower cell towards up, and if we direct, then it will move the right hand side cells to the left. So let's go and do that same here. If we write the simple delete function, then it will ask us for delete, then where we want to shift the cell. We will be having a gap. If a5 is deleted, then we will be having a gap here, and to fill that gap, which cells should occupy? It should be from downwards or through rightwards. So let's shift excel up. So what it will do, when it will remove this cell, then it will move the lower cells towards up. Let's execute this. You can see it has removed that cell and pushed the lower one to up. So this is how delete works. in VBA. So let's comment this and write some few other codes to look. Range range b2 dot entire column dot delete, and same here, excel shift, where we want to shift this, shift excel right, towards right. So let's check this, it will remove the entire column. You can see it has removed the entire column b2 q3, sorry, q2, and pushed the rightwards towards the left. So this is how it works. The last line of codes which we'll be executing and seeing today, that will be how to deal with the rows. Range a6 dot entire row dot delete, shift colon, then equals to excel up. Let's create some more space. In this case we can't write excel down because we don't have anything above this column, that is column, sorry, above column 1. So this, if we write excel down, then it will not work. So you have to keep in mind that it should be something above, it should not be above the header. Let's execute this. You can see it has removed the entire column 6, that is this. You can also write this column as range 6, sorry, it is 6 dot delete, shift excel up. So you can also write like this. Similarly, what we write, we can, for the above one also we can write here, that is range b colon b dot delete, shift equals to excel right, right. So we can also write like this instead of the above one, and here also like the lower one. So this is how delete works in this, in VBA. So that's all in delete. Do like, share and promote my channel. Share your comments in the comment section and share your feedbacks. And if you have any question or query, do put them in the comment. I will work and I will share a video on that. Have a good time. Bye.